you just did the hardest shape in Chilkat weaving. I mean, maybe the salmon head trout is harder because you're doing so many things at once, but this nose and this, all of this that you just finessed through here, give yourself a pat on the back, because what? That is a nose with little nostrils, and we're going to put in a mouth next, and what? So I want you to go along and find all the little spirally pieces that were spiraled around. Remember these guys where we had finished our little weaver strands? I want you to undo all of those and tuck them up the back, okay? So unspiral them, squeeze them really hard in your fingers here. Take your tapestry needle and squish through like this, and then needle them up the back. So I could go this side or that side. It seems like it wants to go on this side, and we're gonna go up, 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 up. Ooh, right. I'm starting directly on the back side here and going right through there, making sure not to come to the front, just like if you were stitching up like any knitting or crochet project, or even cross stitch, which was one of my first loves too. Okay, so there we go. That one's disappeared, and right away I can actually take my scissors right around the back and trim that off, because I know that's gone. I don't have to mess with it again. Okay, so again, taking this guy off and doing the same thing. All right, so when we've got that done, then we're gonna bring our little white ones and go this way and this way with our white braids. Are you excited? I'm so excited. We're so close.